Hello, and welcome to today's slow and gentle episode. If you're here to relax, unwind, or prepare for sleep, you're in the perfect place. Today, we'll take a deep and detailed look at a surprisingly overlooked subject. Why washing machines have so many programs. There is no drama here, no excitement. Just calm, repetitive, and detailed information. Perfect for relaxation or drifting off to sleep. Section 1. The 4 main variables. Most people believe washing machine programs exist simply to wash different types of clothes. In reality, programs exist to control for primary variables: water temperature, drum rotation, pattern water level, cycle duration. Every brand, Bosch, LG, Samsung, Arçelikas, has its own versions of programs, but the underlying principles remain the same. Let's take a very slow, detailed look at each variable. Section 2. Temperature. Temperature is the most important variable. Cold wash Y -30 degrees Celsius. Gentle on delicate fabrics, saves energy, preserves colors. Warm wash 40 degrees Celsius, standard for everyday clothes. Hot wash Y -90 degrees Celsius for towels, bedding, and heavily soiled items. Even when a machine displays 40 degrees Celsius, modern machines often reach only P-38 degrees Celsius to protect fabrics and prolong their lifespan. Some machines use sensors to adjust water temperature continuously during the cycle, slightly increasing or decreasing as needed. Section 3. Drum movement and patterns. The drum movement is carefully controlled by a motor, often an inverter motor. Programs differ in forward rotation, backward rotation, pauses between rotations, fast tumbling, gentle anti-crease rotation, for instance. A delicate wool program rotates slowly for 4 seconds, pauses for 10 seconds, rotates backward for 4 seconds, then pauses again. A cotton program uses more aggressive rotations because cotton can handle higher agitation without damage. Section 4. Water levels. Water level is another important factor. Heavy blankets need more water, few t-shirts need less. Delicate programs use shallow water rinse cycles. Often use more water to remove detergent thoroughly. Eco programs use minimal water, which is why they last longer. Longer duration compensates for less water. Some machines have up to 10 different water level settings, measured with sensors that detect drum pressure. Section 5. Cycle duration. Time is one of the most misunderstood variables. Eco programs can last 3 hours or more. Quick programs last 15 to 30 minutes. Why? Lower temperature plus lower water equals longer washing to clean clothes effectively. Quick programs use high-speed rotation to compensate for the short duration. Section 6. Extra technical features. Modern machines include additional features. Steam cycles. Loosen dirt without high heat pre-wash cycles for heavily soiled items. Delay start. Schedule a wash in advance. Load sensors. Adjust water and duration according to weight and dirt. Some high-end machines even adjust drum rotation patterns automatically based on fabric type or load size. Section 7. Special fabric considerations. Every fabric requires different treatment. Wool gives low temperature. Gentle rotation towels give strong spin for water removal. Sportswear gives extra rinse cycles. To remove sweat odor. Baby clothes gives extra hygiene. Sometimes hot rinse machines combine water, rotation, temperature, and time to meet these specific requirements. Section 8. Energy efficiency and longevity. Older machines washed faster but consumed more water and electricity. Modern machines use less water, use lower temperatures, spin efficiently. Include intelligent sensors. This means longer cycles but cleaner clothes, less energy consumption, and longer-lasting fabrics. Section 9. Satisfyingly monotonous facts. Here are some boring but fascinating facts. Some programs exist only to meet energy rating regulations. A washing machine drum can rotate over 100,000 times in a year. Average users only use 2 to 3 programs regularly. The first washing machines were hand-powered, taking hours to clean one load. EcoCycles can save hundreds of liters of water per year. These facts are not exciting. But when spoken slowly, they become oddly soothing. Section 10. The many programs explained slowly. Common programs. Cotton, synthetics, delicates, wool, quick wash, eco, rinse and spin, bedding, baby care, mixed load. Each one is simply a combination of the 4 variables, plus sometimes extra features like pre-wash or steam. Let's go slowly through one example. Cotton, temperature 40 degrees Celsius, moderate drum rotation, medium water level, 90-minute duration. Wool, temperature 30 degrees Celsius, gentle rotation with pauses, low water level, 60-minute duration. Eco, lower temperature, low water. Sense-adjusted rotation, longer time, usually over 3 hours. Each program is carefully calibrated, even though most people never notice. Section 11. Outro. Calmly, and that concludes our slow and detailed exploration of why washing machines have so many programs. If you enjoyed this calm, boring, and informative episode, you're welcome to return tomorrow for another relaxing deep dive into another ordinary subject. Thank you for listening, and may your day or night be calm and restful.